features of VSI fed induction motor drive. This induction motor drive having some controlling circuit. That controlling circuit will called solid state drive control system. And that drive system having three phases. That three phases carry on 6 SCRs. Okay, 6 SCRs having gate pulses. After getting the gate pulses, the SCR will turn on for allowing the input power. Okay, this is nominal explanation where we seen earlier, but now we are seeing VSI fed induction motor drive. Don't confuse VSI in the sense constant voltage or standard voltage as well as varied current, variable current. Both condition only specification of this VSI. Okay, VSI means voltage source inverter. This inverter specific characteristic is constant voltage and variable current. This character or this category is going to be convert this inverter output as a right manner. Due to this right manner of inverter, we will achieve or we will attain a smooth output, controlled output at the end of controller circuit. Okay, this is basic concept of this VSI fed induction motor drive. Now let us see the features of VSI fed induction motor drive. In this VSI fed eligibility of this VSI fed induction motor drive having, it can adopted many motor drives or multi-motor drives across of them. Okay, if the load independent commutation of the inverter device, that means the load in the sense mechanical. Okay, the mechanical load commutated in the sense turn off process, automatic turn off process of the inverter devices. Okay, it contains some frequency ranges. That frequency ranges having 1500 Hz. Okay, normally we are using 50 Hz or 60 Hz for household appliances, but this 1500 Hz frequencies used in high power applications or extra high power applications. That industries can have 1500 Hz to smooth acceleration of okay. Now we start its capacity having up to 100 kVA because we have variable voltage, constant voltage, variable current. So we must achieve 100 kVA for the VSI induction motor drive. Okay, this is very low speed commutation voltage because if we are using the commutation having two classification. One is forced commutation, another one is natural commutation. Natural commutation in the sense turn off process, automatic turn off process. Okay, the conduction SCR or conduction circuit automatically turn off while they will getting opposite force of applied voltages or applied current. It will comes to turn off. This is automatic natural turn off. Otherwise it has to use forced commutation. The forced commutation introduced across of them, it will damage their circuit and loss their power also. So we cannot use the forced commutation. We always prefer natural commutation. Commutation in the sense turn off process. Okay. Then this load having some acceleration and sudden changes occur. So we may ignore that sudden changes and the acceleration process by using this standard voltage and variable current of VSI fed. Okay. Next, it is low cost control circuit. Why I am saying low cost control circuit in the sense simply we had put any firing pulses across that SCR gate pulses, the SCR will turn on. So this is low cost and simple control circuit, but its efficiency is very poor. Okay, compare these all are categories. We will prefer this PWM based VSA fed induction motor drive. Okay, this PWM based induction motor drive is most advanced one because the firing pulses made flat, doesn't varied any causes across circuit wise and apart from the external circuit wise. The PWM triggering pulse doesn't vary. So this cost up to high compare than VSA fed normal VSA fed induction motor drive, but only disadvantage is cost. Other than cost, it has more advantages because this subscribe frequency is 150 Hz. So you compare then above 1500 Hz frequency, it is a only 150 Hz frequency.